Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I haven't uploaded any video, but I've been doing a lot of lives. So guys, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I'm doing my live. I normally go lives like 4 times to 5 times per week. All depends on my schedule. But here in this video, I'll be doing a long full set of French holographic glitter nails. So here I'm prepping the nails to get rid of any shine from the nail plate. And guys, remember, whenever anything that you're doing to the natural nail, always be gentle and be careful. It seems like I am going really hard here, but I'm not. I am just speeding through the video because it is so long and I do not want it to be too long. So sit back, watch and learn. So after prepping the nail, I went ahead and I sprayed the fingers with 91% alcohol to get rid of any dust and just to clean it overall instead of sending the client to wash their hands. You know, it makes your job easier and faster. So here I am fitting the tips. Ensure that when fitting the tips, you fit from side wall to side wall. It is best if those tips are a little bit bigger, you could always shape. Do not flood the nail plate with the glue. So this bag of ice here in the Ziploc bag is to help the faucet liquid by preventing it from drying really fast when you're doing your application, because as you know, in the summer, all depends on the liquid, it tends to dry faster in the summer and it's more easygoing in the winter, which you can play with it in the winter. So for this here, I am using the ice to balance the faucet so I can have a smooth application. So now I am using these magnetic blocks to measure the length of the desired length the client wants and also to get a precision cut. So now I am going in with my 5-in-1 carbide bit from Pana to balance out the gap that's between the natural nails and the tip. This will cause line of demarcation. So guys, remember, it is very important for you to balance out. And also be very careful so that you do not damage the nail plate. So the next step is to use a buffing block to get rid of the shine from the tip so that acrylic can adhere to it. Next step is going in with your bonder. This bonder is from Young Nail, and let me tell you guys, it is one of the best bonder I have ever used. When I say this doesn't move, it doesn't move. Now, with your application, you don't always have to go in with the 3-bar method or the 2-bar method, because it's not all products are created equal. So just do your application as smooth as possible and go in as many times as you want. Ensure the satisfaction of your eyes and the looks of the nail. As I mentioned earlier, with this ice in the bag, you can use anything that's convenient to you. By whatever you have that liquid in, you can use anything that's convenient for you, but this does help a lot. If I did not have this here, there'll be so much bumps in this because this product dries so fast. It is Young Nail. It dries so fast in the summer. But this ice, it does help 100%. So guys, I'll be speeding through the video because basically it's the same thing going through all 10 fingers. If you want to slow the video down, pause it just to see what's happening, you can do that as well. But yeah, sit back and watch until I come back to talk again. if you apply your acrylic very smoothly, you will have minimal filing to do, and your service will finish in no time. In no time it will be done. So try to apply your product on the nail as smooth as possible. For me here, I'm mainly going to be focusing on the cuticle area and the apex area to get that nice shape we're looking for. I am going in with my buffing block to smooth the entire surface of the nail, mainly focusing on the tip area. Because the application was so smooth, I didn't need to use the bits up there, so I'm using the block to get it defined. When you're handling the buffing block on the nail, always be careful so that it doesn't damage the client's skin, because after service, damaging the client's skin, it can be very painful. So always be careful when doing so. Also, to save more time, you can just use alcohol and water to sanitize the client hand. Right here, I'm using 91% alcohol and water. So that will help you on your service with the schedule that you have. As I mentioned earlier in the video, that I'll be doing a French holographic glitter design. So I'll be speeding through the video on the second nail, because they're basically the same thing, guys. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video and like the educational information, I'd like for you to subscribe down below. Feel free to leave a comment, ask questions, just put your thing out there and support me. Support me by subscribing. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you reached this far, thank you. After finishing with my nail art, I go in with some cuticle oil and a massage. Again, learn something from this video, then click that subscribe button down below, like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.